Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to identify your plant by the help of the PictureThis application. So this is a really useful function if you have a particular plant at home that you don't know the name or type of and you would like to get to know that specific plant in order to get to know its care and its needs, how to take care of it and how to water it properly and use fertilizers. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now tap on the identify icon that you can find in this box at the top of the screen in the first row, indicated by the image of a camera. Now you need to place the subject in focus and then take a picture with your phone by tapping on this icon, this green circle down below. So now you have taken a picture of your plant, and as you can see you have found the exact type of it. There are other pictures uploaded by other people, and as you can see there is the health state of your plant according to the picture that you have just uploaded. It looks healthy. You can add this to your garden. You can read about the conditions requirement, care guide, how to water, the planting time, propagation. You can also read about the frequently asked questions that are quite common, the characteristics, as well as its scientific classification. So if you feel like to do so, you can also share your plant with your friends and save it to the My Garden section by tapping on the button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.